Well, it's a problem in the medical community you may not have considered. Long-term intubation can leave patients with serious damage. It's an even bigger issue now with COVID-19 increasing ventilator use across the world. So a group of UTSA engineers have set out to find a solution using a 3D printer. RJ Marquez tells us about a new design for a breathing tube that could be used in the future.
Airway management in general is a sector of medicine that really hasn't received as much attention, but there's been a problem for some time, particularly when it comes to first responders and combat medics.
UTSA professors Lyle Hood and David Restrepo and research assistant David Berard teamed up to develop a new breathing tube for ventilators that can solve some of the issues linked to airway management. Before the pandemic, they were already working on the 3D printed device to help soldiers in the field who needed to be intubated during an emergency. But the need for ventilators during this crisis has brought the issue to the forefront.
Now we are getting these patients with COVID. Intubation is becoming very difficult, even for us that we are trained in the emergency room.
The group says their breathing tube would reduce patients' damage from long-term ventilation.
The tissues in the trachea are pretty sensitive, especially to high pressures. It restricts blood flow. That causes tissue damage, tissue death.
The device was also designed with first responders in mind to make it easier for a medical worker to insert the tube into someone's throat and reduce their exposure to a virus.
It's a very difficult procedure, it's tricky, and when somebody really needs to breathe, there's not a lot of time.
The group says this device is also one size fits all and would reduce the need for multiple sizes of breathing tubes.
So we are also trying to facilitate that process so more people can use it and it becomes more intuitive.
The team says innovation is overdue.
If you look up the patents and the devices from the 1940s, they look exactly like the ones that we use today, except they're made of rubber.
COVID-19 shows no immediate signs of going away, and we still don't know when we'll get a vaccine. New innovations and changes in the way that we treat patients could mean the difference between life and death.
We have the tools, the need is there, and why not to make a contribution that can help the society.
It's encouraging knowing that, my work is going to go into helping these people. There's going to be a long-term benefit and use of the work that I've put in it.
The group is working with UT Health San Antonio and the U.S. Army Institute for Surgical Research to get the breathing tube to clinical trials. Right now, they're testing it on mannequins.